Russian troops have reportedly put into combat operation the Chinese-manufactured Silent Hunter high-energy laser system in Ukraine, marking one of the first known uses of Beijing's export-grade directed energy weapons on a frontline battlefield. This is believed to be the first documented instance where China's export version of a high-energy laser system has been deployed to counter unmanned aerial threats, signaling a new dimension in the ongoing conflict. A video shared by the Russian media outlet Mash on Telegram on December 17 appears to show the laser system in operation, highlighting its targeting capabilities and confirming its presence near active combat zones. The Silent Hunter system employs a high-energy fiber-optic laser capable of neutralizing small drones and low-flying threats at distances of up to 1.5 kilometers, providing a rapid response countermeasure to aerial incursions. Combined with Ukraine's deployment of its own laser systems in Odessa, the appearance of the Silent Hunter signals a potential shift into a new phase of the war where directed energy weapons are becoming operational on both sides. Neither the Russian government nor Chinese officials have publicly acknowledged the deployment, leaving open questions about the strategic and political implications of this covert high-tech support. Chinese Laser Air Defense System. Built by Poly Technologies. Designed to destroy drones and other low-flying threats. Uses high-energy laser in the 30 to 100 kilowatts range. Effective range of approximately 1.5 kilometers. Can be mounted on a 6x6 truck or stationary installation. Silent operation with low cost per shot. Ideal for counter-drone missions and swarm defense scenarios. The emergence of the Silent Hunter in Ukraine highlights China's role as a behind-the-scenes enabler of Russia's military capabilities, supplying advanced technologies without formal alliances or overt combat involvement. While China has refrained from signing a formal military alliance with Moscow, it has nonetheless provided sophisticated drones, sensors, and other military technologies that skirt Western sanctions, effectively strengthening Russia's battlefield edge. Poly Technologies, a major Chinese defense company, appears to have facilitated Russia's access to advanced military systems, providing hardware and components that fall below thresholds regulated by international sanctions. Observers note that the war in Ukraine is serving as a real-world testbed for China's next-generation military systems, allowing Beijing to evaluate performance under combat conditions and refine its export offerings. Alongside laser deployment, Russia has also employed a newly modified Shahd kamikaze drone in attacks on the Odessa region, suggesting a broader strategy of integrating high-tech systems into offensive and defensive operations. Social media posts, including by user Alexander Kobalenko on X, have described Odessa as a testing ground for these new weapon systems, highlighting the experimental nature of the technologies being used. Ukraine is actively using its own laser-based defenses to protect critical air defense positions, showing that both sides are now operationally fielding directed energy weapons in response to growing aerial threats. A video dated December 20 reportedly shows active laser emissions coming from a Turkish amphibious ship in Odessa, confirming that Ukraine is integrating mobile and naval laser systems into its defensive network. The simultaneous deployment of laser systems by Russia and Ukraine indicates that these weapons have transitioned from theoretical or experimental platforms into practical, combat-ready tools on the battlefield. What was once largely a theoretical concept or limited to fixed installations is now being deployed dynamically, with lasers operating on mobile units and vehicles to address evolving aerial threats in real time. Both sides are actively leveraging laser technology as a practical countermeasure to increasingly sophisticated drone swarms and unmanned aerial systems, reflecting the evolution of modern battlefield defense strategies. As drone saturation on the battlefield increases, high-energy lasers offer unmatched speed, pinpoint precision, and the ability to sustain prolonged defensive operations, making them a crucial addition to modern air defense arsenals.